Welcome to Employment and Education News. Please like the video and share the video. It is free. Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. 19 officer post, 18 male, 1 female vacancy in Territorial Army. Eligibility graduation. Age limit between 18 to 42 years. Last date for application 10 June 2025. Class IV Lieutenant Class IV cadre driver post vacancy in High Court of Madhya Pradesh. Eligibility minimum 8th pass and maximum 12th pass for Class IV, minimum 10th pass and maximum 12th pass for Lieutenant Class IV cadre driver. Experience required only for Lieutenant Class IV cadre post. Age limit between 18 to 35 years. Last date for application 28 May 2025. Circle based officer post vacancy in State Bank of India. Eligibility graduation in any discipline with experience. Age limit maximum 30 years as on 30 April 2025. Last date for application 29 May 2025. Application fees Rs 750 for general, EWS, OBC candidates and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Junior Scientific Assistant Biology, Junior Scientific Assistant Cyber Forensic, Junior Scientific Assistant Documents, Junior Scientific Assistant Photo, Junior Scientific Assistant Physics, Junior Scientific Assistant HRD or QC post vacancy in Forensic Science Laboratory. Eligibility Master degree in Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Botany, Zoology, Forensic Science, Biotechnology, Computer Science, Data Analytics, Artificial Intelligence, Information Technology. BE or BTech in Computer Science Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Biotechnology. Age limit maximum 27 years as on 28 May 2025. Application procedure offline. Submit application physically or by post on or before 28 May 2025. Date of interview 14 June 2025 for Junior Scientific Assistant Biology, Junior Scientific Assistant Documents, Junior Scientific Assistant Photo, Junior Scientific Assistant Physics, Junior Scientific Assistant HRD or QC and 16 June 2025 for Junior Scientific Assistant Cyber Forensic. 309 Junior Executive Air Traffic Control post vacancy in Airport Authority of India. Eligibility BSc with Physics and Mathematics, degree in Engineering. Age limit maximum 27 years as on 24 May 2025. Last date for application 24 May 2025. Staff Nurse post vacancy in Bihar Technical Service Commission. Eligibility General Nursing and Midwifery, BSc Nursing. Age limit maximum 37 years for male UR, 40 years for OBC, EBC, female UR candidate, 42 years for SC and ST candidate. Last date for application 23 May 2025. Bihar Staff Selection Commission vacancy for Field Assistant in Agriculture Department. Eligibility ISC or Diploma in Agriculture. Age limit maximum 37 years for male UR, 40 years for OBC, EBC, female UR candidate, 42 years for SC and ST candidate. Last date for application 23 May 2025. Thanks for watching till the end.